thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right. Coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run, far away from all the fun. It seems I'm bound to be away from you. I never meant to drive you off this way, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say, ain't no good to look the other way. Okay, that's us back. It's been quite a few days actually since I made this, so we're ready to demold now. So I took quite a bit of the glue off. I haven't got too much left, so it shouldn't be too difficult to start pulling apart. Okay, that's us in at the bottom. Let's see if we can get this out. I dare say it's not going to be easy. I didn't seal the wood or anything before because I'm wanting to use the wood for casting, and if I seal it, it won't get a good cast with my resin. Well, that seems okay actually. That's it in there. I'll give the inside of here a bit of a clean up. But I'm not all that bothered about it being too clean because it is supposed to be the burr. So I think what we'll do next is I'm going to go and give it a clean and a little wash out and that, and then we shall get the first casting in so that we can see what it's going to look like. I've got the resin actually already poured out here, and I'm going to get it into here and give it a mix up, and I think I'm going to colour it gold actually. Let me get the colour. So anyway, we're going to get on and get it done, and then we can get it in the pressure pot and we can see what it looks like after.
Quite fascinated to see what it'll look like. Right. Just going to drop that camera down a little bit. So I've put a little drop in the bit there, and because it's got all of these bits on them, I'm going to need to just make sure that I've got it into all areas. And although it's going in the pressure chamber, I'm just going to make sure that it's getting into any bits down the bottom. They don't take actually as much resin as you would think in this thing. I'm going to fill it up to the top, because I want it to be a full casting. Right, that's perfect. I'm going to get it into the pressure chamber now, and we should get it out tomorrow and have a look and see what we think of it. Right, we shall have a look at this now and we shall see what it looks like. I just left it overnight. Just going to move it back from the edges a little bit just to loosen it up. There we go. Is it that way? Yeah, it is that way. So, quite pleased with that. So this is the mould, and I should be able to get a few goes out of this if I use some mould release on it. And what the idea really is, I actually did another one here. I've done two. So the next thing we need to do is, don't know whether to do it like that and get some resin in between it, or cut it down to some small ones and put it into the mould like that. I think I might actually cut it down, get it into the mould, and we shall get a couple of these made up into pens. So we'll go off and do that now and we shall see what that looks like.